In this video, I'll show you how to use the automated fixed rounding feature to fix rounding of balances in your management accounts. Let's start by selecting the analytics option and then going to data options. And you'll see the second last option under balances is for fixing rounding. So if you select that, there's a brief explanation just how rounding works. So when you upload balances which include cents, the balances are automatically rounded to the nearest integer. This is just so your management accounts will add up. If you have rounding in your management accounts, the visible report values may not add up to the totals if rounding is in place. So it's much better to actually round your account balances before including them in the reports, and thereby ensuring that your management accounts reports, which are sent to all your management and interested parties, that it looks professional and that it always adds up. So to do this, there's also a rounding tolerance that is used. The default value is 10, but you can amend that in your profile settings. So under the user settings for that particular profile, if you edit that, you can increase or decrease that default value of 10. What the 10 basically means is that all account rounding values of 10 and less will be adjusted. Once your rounding has been fixed, all the integer values and all your totals will then add up correctly. It basically just creates an additional rounding account which is included under trade payables, and where this rounding value will be included for all the periods included in that financial year. So to apply the automated fixed rounding feature, you basically just select it and click proceed. That will then round all your balances. I'm just going to do it quickly. There you go, rounding fixed, and it then just gives you a result as well. So 45 0 rounding values were found, 16 rounding values within the tolerable range were found and adjusted. And then you can just go back to your data options. And that's our automated fixed rounding feature.